What pineapple do to your body? Pineapple, scientifically known as Ananas commosus, is a tropical fruit cherished for its distinct taste and versatility. This delectable fruit is not only a popular ingredient in various culinary creations but also offers an array of health benefits. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, pineapple has been associated with improved digestion, strengthened immunity, enhanced bone health, and more. In this comprehensive video, we will delve into the numerous health benefits of pineapple, its nutritional composition, and how it can contribute to a well-rounded and nutritious diet. Pineapple is a tropical fruit that offers a wide range of essential nutrients, making it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Let's explore the nutritional composition of pineapple in more detail. 1. Vitamins. Vitamin C. Pineapple is renowned for its high vitamin C content. A single cup of fresh pineapple chunks, approximately 165 grams, provides about 78.9 milligrams of vitamin C, which is more than the daily recommended intake for adults. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that supports immune function, aids in collagen synthesis, and helps protect against oxidative stress. Vitamin B6. Pineapple contains a notable amount of vitamin B6, with approximately 0.2 milligrams per cup. Vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including brain development, hormone regulation, and the production of red blood cells. Other vitamins. Pineapple also contains smaller amounts of vitamins A, E, K, and various B vitamins, including thiamine, riboflavin, and folate. 2. Minerals. Manganese. Pineapple is an exceptional source of manganese. A single cup of pineapple provides approximately 1.5 milligrams of manganese, which surpasses the daily recommended intake for adults. Manganese is involved in many enzymatic reactions, plays a role in antioxidant defense, and contributes to bone health. Copper. Pineapple contains a moderate amount of copper, an essential mineral involved in the production of red blood cells and the maintenance of connective tissues. Potassium. This mineral is crucial for maintaining proper fluid balance, regulating blood pressure, and supporting heart health. Pineapple supplies around 180 milligrams of potassium per cup. Other minerals. Pineapple also contains smaller amounts of calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, and zinc. 3. Dietary fiber. Pineapple is a good source of dietary fiber, with approximately 2.3 grams per cup. Fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system, promoting satiety, regulating blood sugar levels, and supporting cardiovascular health. 4. Antioxidants. Bromelain. Pineapple is unique among fruits due to its significant bromelain content. Bromelain is a mixture of enzymes that may have anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. It helps break down proteins, aids in digestion, and has been studied for its potential to reduce inflammation and swelling. Other antioxidants. Pineapple contains various antioxidants, such as flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and beta-carotene, which help protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Incorporating pineapple into your diet can provide you with a range of essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, supporting overall health and well-being. Section 2. Digestive health. Pineapple has long been recognized for its potential to promote digestive health. The fruit contains a unique enzyme called bromelain, which plays a key role in supporting optimal digestion. Let's delve into the ways pineapple can benefit digestive health. 1. Bromelain and protein digestion. Bromelain is a proteolytic enzyme, meaning it helps break down proteins into smaller peptides and amino acids. This enzyme aids in the digestion and absorption of dietary proteins, particularly in the stomach and small intestine. Improved protein digestion can lead to better nutrient absorption and reduced digestive discomfort, such as bloating and gas. 2. Enhanced nutrient absorption. Pineapple's bromelain enzyme not only aids in protein digestion but also enhances the absorption of other nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. This can support overall nutrient availability and utilization within the body. 3. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Bromelain possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate digestive inflammation and associated symptoms. Inflammatory conditions such as inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, gastritis, and ulcerative colitis may benefit from the anti-inflammatory effects of bromelain. 4. Relief from digestive disorders. Pineapple has been traditionally used to address digestive issues such as indigestion, bloating, and constipation. Bromelain's ability to support efficient digestion and reduce inflammation can contribute to relieving these common digestive discomforts. 5. Fiber content. Pineapple is a good source of dietary fiber, which plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber in pineapple adds bulk to the stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. 6. Gut health and prebiotics. Pineapple contains prebiotic compounds that act as a food source for beneficial gut bacteria. These compounds promote the growth and activity of these beneficial microbes, supporting a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for optimal digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and overall well-being. It's important to note that while pineapple can offer digestive benefits, individual responses may vary. Some people may be more sensitive to the acidic nature of pineapple or its bromelain content. If you have specific digestive conditions or concerns, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Incorporating pineapple into a balanced diet, along with other fiber-rich foods and a variety of fruits and vegetables, can contribute to better digestive health and overall well-being. Immune system support. Pineapple can play a significant role in supporting and boosting the immune system. The fruit is renowned for its high content of vitamin C, along with other beneficial compounds. Let's explore how pineapple can contribute to immune system support. 1. Vitamin C content. Pineapple is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is a potent antioxidant known for its immune-enhancing properties. Vitamin C supports the production and function of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and pathogens. Adequate vitamin C intake can help strengthen the immune system, reduce the severity and duration of common illnesses such as the common cold, and promote overall immune health. 2. Antioxidant protection. Pineapple contains various antioxidants, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and weaken the immune system. By reducing oxidative stress and supporting cellular health, pineapple's antioxidants contribute to overall immune function. 3. Anti-inflammatory benefits. The bromelain enzyme found in pineapple possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which can support immune health. Chronic inflammation can impair immune function, making the body more susceptible to infections and diseases. Bromelain's ability to reduce inflammation can help modulate immune responses and promote a balanced immune system. 4. Collagen synthesis. Vitamin C plays a vital role in collagen synthesis, a structural protein necessary for the integrity of skin, tissues, and organs. Pineapple's vitamin C content supports the production of collagen, which plays a role in maintaining healthy skin and mucosal barriers that act as the first line of defense against pathogens. 5. Hydration and detoxification. Pineapple has a high water content, which contributes to proper hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for optimal immune function. Additionally, the bromelain enzyme in pineapple may assist in detoxification processes by supporting the elimination of toxins from the body. It's important to note that while pineapple can support the immune system, it is not a cure-all or a substitute for a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. A diverse and nutrient-rich diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, stress management, and other healthy habits are crucial for maintaining a robust immune system. Incorporating pineapple into a well-rounded diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, and immune-supportive foods can help strengthen the immune system and promote overall health. Section 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Pineapple possesses notable anti-inflammatory properties, primarily attributed to its key enzyme called bromelain. The anti-inflammatory benefits of pineapple can have positive implications for various health conditions. Let's explore this in more detail. 1. Bromelain and inflammation. Bromelain, abundantly present in pineapple, is a mixture of enzymes known for its potent anti-inflammatory effects. Bromelain helps reduce inflammation by inhibiting the production of certain compounds involved in the inflammatory process, such as prostaglandins and cytokines. By modulating the body's inflammatory response, bromelain can help alleviate symptoms associated with inflammation. 2. Arthritis and joint health. The anti-inflammatory properties of pineapple, particularly bromelain, have been studied for their potential benefits in managing inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Bromelain may help reduce joint pain, stiffness, and swelling associated with conditions such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. It is believed that bromelain's ability to inhibit inflammatory mediators contributes to its positive impact on joint health. 3. Sinusitis and respiratory conditions. Pineapple's bromelain content may be beneficial for individuals with sinusitis or other respiratory conditions characterized by inflammation. Bromelain has been shown to help reduce mucus production and facilitate sinus drainage, providing relief from congestion and inflammation in the nasal passages. Its anti-inflammatory properties can contribute to alleviating symptoms and supporting respiratory health. 4. Wound healing. Bromelain's anti-inflammatory properties extend to wound healing. It has been used topically or as a supplement to aid in wound recovery. Bromelain helps reduce swelling, inflammation, and pain associated with wounds, burns, and skin injuries. It also promotes the breakdown of damaged tissue and supports the formation of new tissue, accelerating the healing process. 5. Gastrointestinal disorders. Inflammatory bowel conditions such as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis may benefit from the anti-inflammatory effects of pineapple's bromelain. Bromelain has been investigated for its potential to reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, alleviate symptoms, and support gut health. It's important to note that while pineapple's bromelain content offers anti-inflammatory benefits, individual responses may vary. The effectiveness of bromelain can depend on factors such as dosage, formulation, and the specific condition being treated. Consulting a healthcare professional is advisable for personalized advice. Incorporating pineapple into a balanced diet, along with other anti-inflammatory foods, regular exercise, stress management, and healthy lifestyle choices, can help promote overall well-being and reduce the risk of chronic inflammation-related conditions. Bone health. Pineapple can contribute to maintaining and improving bone health due to its unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and beneficial compounds. Let's explore how pineapple supports bone health. 1. Calcium. While pineapple is not particularly high in calcium, it does contain a small amount of this essential mineral. Calcium is a crucial component of bone structure and plays a vital role in maintaining bone density and strength. Consuming pineapple as part of a well-rounded diet that includes other calcium-rich foods can help support overall bone health. 2. Manganese. Pineapple is an excellent source of manganese, a mineral that is essential for the formation and maintenance of healthy bones. Manganese contributes to the production and activation of enzymes involved in bone metabolism. Adequate manganese intake can help support bone mineralization and promote the synthesis of collagen, a protein that provides structural support to bones. 3. Vitamin C. Pineapple is renowned for its high vitamin C content, and this vitamin plays a vital role in bone health. Vitamin C is necessary for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that forms the foundation of bones and promotes their strength and flexibility. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting bone cells from oxidative damage. 4. Bromelain and inflammation. Pineapple's bromelain enzyme, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, may indirectly contribute to bone health. Chronic inflammation can interfere with bone remodeling and contribute to conditions like osteoporosis. By reducing inflammation, bromelain may help support optimal bone health. 5. Antioxidant protection. Pineapple contains various antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, that help protect bone cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can contribute to bone loss and weaken bone structure. The antioxidants in pineapple help neutralize free radicals and promote overall bone health. 6. Overall nutritional support. Pineapple is a nutrient-dense fruit that can contribute to overall nutritional support, including the vitamins and minerals necessary for maintaining healthy bones. Including pineapple as part of a well-balanced diet that includes other bone-supportive nutrients can help provide a comprehensive approach to bone health. It's important to note that while pineapple can support bone health, a holistic approach is necessary. A well-balanced diet, regular weight-bearing exercise, adequate calcium and vitamin D intake, and avoidance of smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are also important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Incorporating pineapple into a nutritious diet that focuses on bone-supportive nutrients can be a valuable addition to a bone health regimen. Section 6. Other health benefits. In addition to the specific health benefits mentioned earlier, pineapple offers several other advantages that contribute to overall health and well-being. Let's explore some of these additional health benefits. 1. Digestive aid. Pineapple contains dietary fiber and bromelain, which can help improve digestion. The fiber content promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy digestive system. Bromelain aids in the breakdown of proteins, supporting efficient digestion and nutrient absorption. 2. Eye health. Pineapple contains antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta-carotene, which are beneficial for eye health. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Including pineapple as part of a diet rich in fruits and vegetables may contribute to maintaining healthy vision. 3. Skin health. The antioxidants, vitamin C, and bromelain in pineapple have positive effects on skin health. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, promoting skin elasticity and preventing wrinkles. Bromelain's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce skin inflammation and assist in wound healing. 4. Respiratory health. Pineapple's bromelain content may provide benefits for respiratory health. Bromelain has been studied for its potential to alleviate symptoms associated with respiratory conditions, such as asthma and bronchitis. Its anti-inflammatory and mucolytic properties may help reduce airway inflammation and promote easier breathing. 5. Blood circulation. Pineapple contains bromelain, which has been studied for its potential to improve blood circulation. Bromelain may help prevent excessive blood clotting by reducing the stickiness of platelets, thereby supporting cardiovascular health. 6. Hydration and detoxification. With its high water content, pineapple can contribute to proper hydration, which is vital for overall health and well-being. Additionally, the bromelain enzyme in pineapple may aid in detoxification processes by supporting the elimination of toxins from the body. It's important to note that while pineapple offers various health benefits, it should be consumed as part of a balanced diet. Moderation is key, as excessive consumption of pineapple may cause digestive discomfort in some individuals due to its acidic nature. Incorporating pineapple into a diverse and nutritious diet, alongside regular exercise, adequate sleep, and other healthy lifestyle habits, can contribute to maximizing its potential health benefits and promoting overall wellness.